Welcome to AI Future Insights. Thank you for joining us today. By 2030, millions of jobs may disappear, not because humans are lazy, but because AI tools are becoming smarter than ever. AI is transforming the workplace faster than we imagined, changing the way we work, create, and communicate. From writing to design, coding to data analysis, AI is taking over routine tasks that used to take hours of human effort. Today, we're going to explore the top AI tools that are likely to replace many jobs by 2030, and how you can prepare for this new era. Let's begin with the first AI tool. Take a moment to imagine how your daily work might change with AI. This is really important. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, AI writing and AMP assistants. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are no longer just experimental tools. These platforms can write blog posts, social media content, add copy, scripts, emails, and even handle customer service queries automatically. For example, a marketing team that used to hire 5 content writers can now generate the same amount of content with one AI tool in a fraction of the time. This drastically reduces the need for entry-level writers and support staff. Jobs at risk include copywriters, blog writers, customer service agents, and scriptwriters. However, writers who integrate AI into their workflow can produce more work, faster, and with better quality. AI can also generate ideas for new content topics, helping writers brainstorm faster. Adapting to AI writing tools is not just recommended, it's becoming essential for career survival. Think about it, companies that adopt AI first will outcompete others in both speed and efficiency. If you want to stay ahead, learning how to use these AI tools effectively is a must. AI can even generate content in multiple languages, helping businesses expand globally without hiring extra staff. Next, we have AI image generation tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Ideogram. These tools can instantly create logos, social media posts, marketing banners, product mock-ups, and more. Imagine a small startup creating a full branding campaign in minutes instead of hiring multiple designers for days. This affects graphic designers, illustrators, and digital artists, especially for repetitive or template-based tasks. Recent studies show that demand for routine design work may decrease by 40 to 60% by 2030. Designers who use AI creatively to enhance their work will remain in high demand. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Those who adapt will create higher quality work faster. By using AI to automate repetitive tasks, designers can focus on innovation, brainstorming, and conceptual art. AI can also assist in color palettes, layouts, and visual effects automatically. So, integrating AI into your creative process isn't optional, it's necessary for survival in the design world. Pause and imagine the possibilities. Video production is another area AI is rapidly changing. Tools like Pictory, Runway, and HeyGen can automatically turn scripts into professional quality videos, complete with voiceovers, subtitles, and visuals. For example, a small business can now create a promotional video in minutes, which used to take days and a team of editors. This will impact video editors, social media content creators, and basic video production staff. By 2030, much of the routine video editing and production work may be fully automated. AI allows content creators to focus on storytelling rather than repetitive tasks. Those who fail to adapt may find it harder to compete in the growing digital content market. Even platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are now using AI-driven tools to help creators optimize content automatically. AI can also generate captions, translations, and even voiceovers in multiple languages, helping creators reach a global audience. Think about how much time can be saved using AI for repeated tasks. Software development is evolving with AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and Codium. These tools can write, debug, and even optimize code automatically. Junior developers who previously handled repetitive coding tasks may find their roles shrinking. Companies now prioritize faster, more accurate code production at lower cost, which AI can provide. Senior developers will still be needed for complex problem solving, but juniors must adapt or risk being replaced. Learning to use AI coding assistants effectively is crucial for anyone in tech today. AI doesn't replace the need for human judgment, it enhances productivity and reduces errors. For example, a single developer with AI assistance can now accomplish the work of an entire junior team. Pair programming with AI is becoming a new standard in software development, improving both speed and code quality. Pause and consider how this will affect software teams globally. Data-related jobs are also at risk due to AI. Excel AI and Power BI. Copilot can analyze datasets, generate reports, create charts, and even provide recommendations automatically. Tasks that previously took hours of manual work are now done in minutes. This puts roles like data entry clerks, junior analysts, and report creators at risk. However, professionals who can interpret AI-generated insights strategically will remain in demand. AI doesn't replace human judgment, it enhances it. Those who embrace AI tools can focus on higher-level decision-making rather than repetitive tasks. For example, a financial analyst can spend more time on strategy while AI handles number crunching. AI can even detect patterns humans might miss, uncovering new opportunities for businesses. Imagine how powerful this becomes in real-time decision-making. Even healthcare is being transformed by AI. Tools like Google DeepMind Health and other AI diagnostic platforms can detect diseases faster and more accurately than humans in many cases. Radiologists, lab technicians, and pathology assistants may see significant workflow changes. Doctors using AI can make faster and more accurate diagnoses, improving patient care. Healthcare jobs are evolving. AI is a tool to assist professionals, not replace them entirely. For instance, AI can analyze thousands of X-rays in minutes, highlighting areas of concern for doctors to review. This allows medical professionals to focus on complex cases and patient care, rather than repetitive analysis. AI can also help in predicting disease outbreaks, optimizing hospital resource management, and suggesting personalized treatment plans. Pause and reflect on this impact. So, will AI take every job? No, but it will replace tasks that are routine and repetitive. To stay ahead, you must learn to use AI tools relevant to your field. Focus on uniquely human skills, creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Use AI to increase productivity and efficiency. Keep up with new technologies and trends. Combine human judgment with AI capabilities to stay indispensable. Those who adapt and embrace AI will not only survive, they will thrive. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Use it wisely, and it will boost your career. Think carefully about how you can combine your skills with AI. Before you go, don't forget to *** like this video ***, comment your thoughts below and *** subscribe to AI Future Insights to join our AI Curious community. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to stay ahead in the AI world, check out our next video where we'll reveal *5 AI tools that could completely change your career by 2035 ***. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the AI revolution. See you there.